In the heart of nature, time feels like a gentle whisper, inviting you to pause and truly embrace the moment. You realize how small details can enhance your experience or disrupt your reverie. Those who venture into nature understand that the little things can either lift your spirit or weigh you down. In Finland, the land of thousands of lakes, where the bond with nature runs deep, Päijän set out to enhance this experience. For over 7,000 years, wooden oars have guided rowers, but their flaws can hinder the journey. Inspired by this wisdom, Päijän created Aerot, oars designed to enhance every stroke and ensure nothing stands between you and your perfect moment on the water. Crafted for those who pursue perfection, Aerot's revolutionary handle options redefine rowing ergonomics. Choose the Ote model with its rotating cushioned grip, or the classic Tunto model for a firm feel, both designed for comfort and power in every stroke. The advanced oarlock guarantees compatibility with any boat, featuring a customizable stainless steel shaft, a quick adjust mechanism for a precise fit, and a rubber cushion that guides and lightens every stroke, ensuring effortless returns and fluid movement. At its core, Aerot features a sturdy anodized aluminum shaft that provides exceptional strength and stability, paired with a larger curved blade that grips the water for maximum propulsion. It cuts through effortlessly, making each stroke smooth and efficient, even in challenging conditions. Aerot is built to adapt to any boat, condition, or rower, elevating your experience and transforming every stroke into a moment of pure connection with the water. Aerot, the new nature of rowing.